Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to show you how to set up Chromecast on an LG TV so you can stream your favorite shows, movies, and videos straight from your smartphone or computer. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your LG TV is turned on and connected to Wi-Fi. Also, grab your Chromecast device and plug it into one of the HDMI ports on your TV. Once that's done, switch your TV's input to the HDMI port you just plugged your Chromecast into. 2. Now, grab your smartphone or computer and make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your LG TV. 3. Next, head over to the App Store on your smartphone or computer and download the Google Home app. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. 4. Once the app is downloaded, open it up and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one to proceed. 5. After signing in, the app will search for any Chromecast devices nearby. When it finds yours, tap on the Setup button to begin the setup process. 6. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup, including selecting your Wi-Fi network and giving your Chromecast a name. 7. Once the setup is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on your TV screen. That means your Chromecast is now ready to use. 8. Now, whenever you want to cast something to your LG TV, simply open up a compatible app on your smartphone or computer, like YouTube or Netflix, and look for the cast icon. 9. Tap on the cast icon, select your Chromecast device, and voila! Your content will start playing on your LG TV. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you install Chromecast on an LG TV. It's a simple process that opens up a world of entertainment possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials like this one.